Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Well, not much happened. It's a quiet day. Solana is currently trading just below the $100 mark, which is obviously an important psychological resistance level and a psychological marker. And yeah, Solana has so far not been able to break above that $100 level again, not since it broke below here a few weeks ago and touched our support level. And then, yeah, it tried to break and it stayed briefly above that $100 level, but it could not sustain above it. So the situation hasn't really changed in any way here on the Solana chart. So I just want to give you a quick update. We want to take a look at the short-term bullish, short-term bearish scenario and want to see if we can find any further clues about what's actually happening currently there on the chart, on the smaller time frame. The bigger picture, of course, hasn't changed at all at the moment. It's very, very quiet out there, especially on a Saturday. So yeah, let's talk about the base case. My base case is currently that a wave 4 is finished. That the wave 4 finished when it touched our support level here at $79.30. That's the 23.6 FIB level. It makes sense to assume that because we have a 5-wave move up. So it's a little bit too early to confirm it. I label it like that it's complete, but that doesn't mean it's confirmed, all right? So I mentioned it in videos again and again that we need to see more price action to really confirm that this 4th wave has bottomed and the 5th wave to $190 plus has started to unfold. I have 5 waves up on the micro level, and this is already good. You know, this means I'm looking at higher prices. Doesn't mean, however, that we have to completely break out now and will go to 190. It could also mean that a larger corrective rally unfolds, basically just as an A, B, C structure, and then we come down again into the support area. I find that highly likely. It's too early to confirm that. It depends on if the bulls can hold a higher low after this swing high is complete. Then I will give you another support area. And if that level is broken, yeah, then we're heading down. But if we can hold that level, it should go higher, okay? Please be aware that the next rally could be a breakout and indeed could take us to 190. That will be what I will assume, but I'll still be very careful after that, as soon as the targets are reached in this 3rd wave there that I have labeled to the upside, okay? Because it could just be a larger B wave top, essentially leading to A, B, C. Okay, so at the moment, my base case is the 4th wave is complete, yes, but that doesn't mean we couldn't find difficulties along the way. All right, so that's just something to be aware of that, yep, if we now hold support and break out, don't think this is a done deal. It could still fail here after 3 waves. And where could it fail? Well, a typical target for such a C wave in wave B would be the 100% Fibonacci extension level. Funny enough, it's exactly around $125 where that previous swing high was. So there should be some resistance. Yeah, that's sort of the base case. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, take a look at short-term bullishness, short-term bearishness. So what's the short-term bullish case? What's the short-term bearish case? So in the short-term bearish scenario, which I currently prefer, but to be fair, they are both very likely and both part of the same scenario in which I'm watching for higher prices from here. But in the short-term bearish one, yep, we had 5 waves up. This was an A wave down, a B wave rally, and now the C wave down could take us into the region between $89.67 and $82.50. That's the ideal target range for a C wave. And then that, so A, B, C, right? So the ideal target for a C wave. And here that wave 2 could finish and we could start to break out, and a break above $107, this previous swing high, would be, yeah, basically confirmation for a breakout. And this inverse head and shoulders pattern would basically be broken to the upside, inverse head and shoulders, which is a bullish reversal pattern. In the short-term bullish case, yep, this was also a 5-wave move to the upside in a wave 1 or A wave. But all of wave 2 or B is already complete. And we're trending higher more directly like this, okay? So please be aware of that. That is, of course, a possibility. We reached our trend reversal zone already. So technically speaking, that correction could be over. It's just nothing that can be predicted. and nothing that can be confirmed until we get a break above that neckline of the inverse head and shoulders. But either way, the support is down there at $84. Okay, maybe we stretch a little lower to $82.50. You might want to use that as relevant support, but against those levels, I focus on higher. That's just a quick update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.